Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm the Chief Administrative Officer for Roof Doctors. I manage all of the daily schedules, the inspectors, repairmen, material ordering, human resources, accounts receivable. We've been able to get into the insurance part of roofing and have helped a lot of customers that have been affected by the fires and high winds down in LA. Prior to finding Zuper, I had looked at hundreds of potential solutions. When I found Zuper, I realized very quickly that the amount of integrations it could do, the customizations that were available to me, and just the overall format that was already there was exactly what we were looking for. We've also seen improvements in our training time, not only with our inspectors, but with the actual owners of our company. It also has automations that go out to our customers, reminding them that they've received an estimate, asking them if they'd like to book the work, reminding them of their invoice that's been sent to them. And it really has taken a load off of the office and the sales staff.
Hi, my name is Amber and I am an office administrator. I answer phone calls, I schedule inspections, I schedule repairs. Whenever I get a phone call, I instantly have to go onto Zuper and I have to either search the client, I have to search the job, the address, or create a brand new customer or a brand new job. Zuper is a lot faster than the last program that we use. It's really easy to search for properties, it's easy to search by job numbers, search customers. You have the customer on the phone, it could take a while. However, with Zuper, we've noticed that our call times have almost been cut in half, so it goes pretty quickly.
The way that I use Zuper, that's where my work orders are. That's where I get instructions from the inspector as to what needs to be done and also the location of where the job is. The thing that I like about Zuper is it is easy to use and it's a great tool in allowing me to communicate with the inspectors, knowing what they want to be done on the repair and what they've called out, and also being able to communicate with the customers. It's just a streamlined app that has all the information I need. When we first started training on Zuper, I just went to the office and the office manager, Lisa, walked me through it 10-15 minutes, and then after that, didn't have any issues with it. It was good to go.
As an inspector, I like the Zuper app a lot. The pictures download very quickly as compared to the previous programs we've used. It helps me organize my route every day. Prior to Zuper, there was a lot of having to stop and call and ask for, what entry should I use for so-and-so. Working with the Zuper team and setting up the app was awesome. They were extremely helpful. They listened to our needs and they produced everything that we asked of them.
From the initial demo that I did all the way through to where we are today, all of the staff at Zuper is professional, friendly, and very efficient. They worked with me through every customization that I needed done. I can't say enough good things about the people of Zuper.